In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Doc with others efficiently and securely. Sharing a document can enhance collaboration, streamline feedback, and improve overall productivity, so understanding the nuances of Google Docs sharing options is incredibly beneficial. To begin, you'll first want to open your Google Doc. This is a straightforward process if you already have Google Docs open in your browser. Simply navigate to the document you wish to share. If this isn't already open, sign in to your Google Drive, find your document among your files, and double-click to open it. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Share button, typically highlighted in blue or gray, which might seem small, but holds the key to unlocking collaboration potential. Click on this button, and you'll be greeted by a dialog box. Now, let's move on to sharing with specific people. In the Share with People and Groups section, you'll see a field labeled Add People and Groups. Here is where you'll want to enter the email addresses of those with whom you wish to share the document. As you type, Google may even suggest contacts from your Gmail address book, which can make this process easier and more efficient. Once you've added all the email addresses of individuals who should have access to the document, it's time to consider what level of permission each person will have. Google Docs offers three main options: Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. Selecting Viewer means that the person can only view and read the document, perfect for when you need someone to simply look over your work but not alter it in any way. If you think feedback is crucial, you might select the Commenter option, which allows the recipient to leave comments on the document without modifying the content itself. This is an excellent choice for when you're seeking specific feedback or conducting reviews. Finally, the Editor option gives the recipient full access to make changes to the content. This is ideal for collaborative projects, either within a team or a study group where everyone's input is needed. Having selected the appropriate permissions for each individual, take a moment to review your choices to ensure that everyone has the access they need and not more than necessary. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click Send. Your chosen recipients will receive an email notification inviting them to access the document with the permissions you've assigned. With these steps, you can effectively manage document access settings in Google Docs, supporting seamless collaboration while keeping your work secure and organized. Thank you for tuning into the video. Happy sharing.